All right, guys, I'm gonna update you guys very fast. I am in middle of moving, literally. I even said it on the Telegram group, and to appreciate you guys for your support all the time with your likes and support that you guys have been showing me on Telegram group and here with liking and commenting. You guys are gonna still see some clowns, some people who are always looking for some people's weakness, or if anything goes wrong with what they say, they're gonna come because they were bullied way too much in high school and middle school, and they're gonna come and comments that say, oh, you said we were gonna crash, we were gonna pull back, and we kept going higher. Let me explain what happened. If you guys know me enough, if you guys have been subscribed to this channel, I told you guys for many years, I'm gonna show you with the dates since we started getting closer, and we had to consider this line every single cycle. From end of 2017, you can see it, my cursor is on there. 2017, December 18th, we were almost touching this line. Later in 2019, July 1st, we had this touch. Then in the last bull run, which I showed you how we topped around 65,000 and then rallied up for USDT dominance, and Bitcoin pulled back heavily pulled back 57%. Okay, I'm gonna zoom out to show you guys. Then I'm gonna go to the new stuff that I had to reconsider everything, but it's still, there is a chance that we can see huge pullbacks for Bitcoin before going back up. I have been bullish. I have been buying altcoins. My bag is ready to go. We've been buying with my members. Okay, so I said it before, when we were around here for USDT, we were around here. Okay, then we had a huge rally for USDT, and opposite of it, of course, BTC crashed or pulled back 57%. Then we made a new all-time high. Okay, so any type of analysis you watched back then on YouTube, you would have seen a lot of YouTubers were saying something that was, they were saying, oh, the crash is coming, is coming. Then we got in here, yes, it worked, and then it started going higher. And then we would have people commenting and saying, oh, you said we were gonna crash. Yes, we pulled back already. Okay, so when we're talking about technical analysis, guys, it is for short term and long term. Okay, so you guys need to really consider that. You do not want to just say, oh, 10 days ago you said this and this did not happen. Look at what I still left, what I said that can happen because of USDT. USDT broke below this trend line that it has never broken below. I even put it to the lowest point, and all the way here, you guys see that is still, although we have broken below for USDT, which we wanted to be. I even said it. I'm gonna give credits to some of the commenters in my previous video. You guys can go read the comments. Some of you guys commented and said that any trend line can break eventually. Okay, and I said I cannot really go with it yet until I see it. Okay, prove me wrong, bring me new data, so I will change my mind. So far, although this is a weekly chart and we have one more day to go to see how this candle is gonna close. Okay, I really hope you guys need to sit and pray that this support that we are seeing right now, that I'm gonna show you guys in here, I hope that we're gonna break the last support in here, and we're gonna see 3.7, which we are almost close to it. We are at 4.6%. This would be the next target that I'm gonna expect, 3.73, and then hopefully we're gonna go lower. But then if we break that and still go lower, this is the next level of support that I'm gonna show you guys right here. Okay, I'm gonna say that the next level of support, I'm gonna copy and paste another label this would be the next level of support for USDT. And you guys know, if you guys are new and you haven't been subscribed to this channel, go ahead and subscribe. You should know that how I am following USDT dominance closely, and BTC dominance. I even said it on Telegram group. I even told you guys about a gem that it went to top around $40 or $45. Now it is a good time to buy, okay? But around $9, you guys can go check it out. I put it there for free, although I talk about all these gems and stuff in my membership group, okay? But I gave you guys just to appreciate you guys that we are buying altcoins, and I would like you guys to get some gains too, okay? So I said it, this resistance level, we're gonna probably see ups and downs many times until the BTC dominance cannot go on to top. The maximum I'm expecting would be 62 to 65%. That would be the max I'm expecting. Then we're gonna see huge drop down to almost 50%. 50% drop, guys. You guys have seen that how altcoins have been rallying, okay? When you see every time your BTC dominance starts dropping. Okay, so that is a good sign for us that altcoin season, even if you look at the total 3 altcoins chart, excluding Ethereum and BTC, you guys see that even I showed you guys, if we pass this resistance level, we might still get a little bit of rejection, then break it to go to all-time high of $1.14 trillion just for altcoins, and hopefully we're gonna start going higher. As long as we are not staying below this white line. I made it too busy here, sorry. Okay, let me get rid of all of these. I am really hoping that we're gonna stay below this line and we're not gonna start going higher. If that does, we are talking about ifs, okay? Because this is not, I'm not only a fundamental guy, I am a technical guy too. I go with logic, I don't go only, just hopium, okay? I need to see evidence to be able to trust the market, okay? So BTC can still go a little bit higher and then start going down. And also Ethereum BTC, guys, Ethereum BTC, as I said, is still, you guys see that Ethereum kind of stayed behind, right? Stayed behind. We had this weekly candle close red and we are doing a pullback about exactly to the line that I had showed you that we could get a good support, and we went higher actually. That's where you guys saw that how bullish Ethereum started looking, and it started going higher. But again, we can still see that Ethereum can lose a little bit of performance against BTC, and BTC, once it starts going higher or dropping and Ethereum drops harder, we can see going to the last level of support, which I'm really expecting to get a good support for Ethereum, and that's gonna be the best support for Ethereum, and that's gonna be a good sign for us that altcoins are gonna start rallying, because we like it or not, Ethereum is the queen. And every time Ethereum goes higher, it gives enough confidence to a lot of altcoins. And I'm gonna talk about how altcoins are gonna start rallying in the next video. I'm gonna give you guys my top riskier, and safer coins, 5 for each, to all of you guys for free, because I want you guys to know this altcoin season, you should not miss it. Okay, you should not miss it, or you're gonna wait for it for a long time. Okay, I'm just saying. Okay, so go ahead and subscribe. We are 3,333 of you, and I really appreciate you guys. I wasn't, as I said, I'm in the middle of moving my house, so I am very busy. So I'm here, so please hit the like button so I know that you guys appreciate my videos. And I'm going to talk about technical analysis, and I'm going to explain more that why I said that we can top around here and start going lower to almost $84,000, then make a newer all-time high. This is what I have left here, so you can see that even if it doesn't work, that I was still showing you guys newer all-time high, but it did not. We broke below that line. That's why I said that you guys saw that Bitcoin started going higher. Okay, so literally from this stop that I called, I even closed my short position, and I showed you guys with the screenshot to the Telegram group. Okay, that's what I'm saying. If you guys are not following me on Telegram, I cannot just, with every single movement in market and every change in the market, I cannot make a video, but I can post you guys, give you guys updates about the market on Telegram. It's going to be easier for me. So if you do not follow me, don't be a clown in the comments, okay? Because I showed you guys that I'm not going to short Bitcoin anymore around 91,500-ish. I opened my short position at around $92,000. Although we went higher, started going lower right around here, right when we started going from $94,000, and I said maximum we can go to $94,000 and start pulling back, as long as, because I was still considering that USDT was going to get support and start going higher. But after 7 years, we broke this support level, which is a good thing for USDT dominance, because we want USDT to keep losing dominance and pour that money into altcoins and Bitcoin so we can make a lot of money. Okay, so I hope we still have another day to go, and I hope that we're gonna stay below this line when we're not gonna start going higher for a pullback. Even if we do though, let's talk about even if we do, I hope that we're gonna go maximum to up to 4.56%, which I can tell you for the last 2 weeks, we can pull back almost to $80,000 before starting going higher. And I really hope that once we start pulling back, so I just want to show you guys with a simpler, with lines, we might go up here, and hopefully this time we're gonna go back down. And if we still go zigzag and start going higher, that's gonna be bad, okay? I'm not saying that's gonna happen, but I'm just saying that this line has been a good support. Although we broke below, I would like to see a weekly candle closing, okay? So therefore, again, we can see some altcoins is still randomly pumping, but the main altcoin season is not here yet. It is very close. We might probably have to wait another month or two, and from January, February, we're gonna probably see a huge altcoin season, and hopefully that's gonna be where we're gonna start making new all-time high for total 3, which is the altcoins chart. Okay, it is still looking bullish. We can have some pullbacks on the way, and the main resistance level, I would say that you guys can touch top of these 3 wicks and go all the way like this. That's gonna be almost where we're gonna hit all-time high of previous bull run. So that's going to be a really hard resistance, and we might go up there and is still pulling back, or even where we have the wicks around this level, almost get an average of them, and we can still pull back and start going higher. So it's still, we're gonna have pullbacks on the way. That means that altcoins, they're gonna go zigzag up. And every time we go higher, we're gonna see this candle goes higher, and every time we go lower, we're gonna see this is pulling back. But in average, it's not gonna be for every single altcoins, okay? So I'm gonna tell you guys about the gems next time, so make sure you are subscribed. And these are the ones that I'm gonna tell you guys. I'm expecting 5x, 10x, 20x, okay? From safer to riskier, and how much more investment you have to do because they're having more and less market caps, okay? So based on that, I'm gonna talk about it. But again, I really hope that we're gonna stay below this line, and the weekly candle is gonna keeps dropping, and we're gonna see BTC start going higher and making new all-time highs. Okay, so that is about it. Make sure that you like the video, you are subscribed for the next video, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.